In this video, we're gonna look at one of the most underrated platforms online to grow your e-commerce brand in 2023, and that is YouTube. We're also gonna explore how you can tap into this explosive search engine to get you qualified customers. All right, let's go. Hey, welcome back. I'm Khierstyn, the CEO of Launch and Scale. We work with e-commerce brands to take them from $0 to $3 million a year profitably and with purpose. So if that is content that you're into, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's get into today's video. So if you've followed my work for a while, you know that I've been on YouTube for the last 5 years. We've produced hundreds of videos, and the reason that we've been so forward on this platform is because of how much it's helped our brand grow. We've generated over $1 million in the last 5 years alone. So when I say that YouTube is underrated, I want to first give you some stats as to why I think that and how exactly YouTube works, and then ways that you can capitalize on that in your business this year. So first off, YouTube, I have seen it grow our business exponentially. It's allowed us to connect with people from all over the world, build relationships, and deliver content really easily in a way that feels naturally for me. But the reason why YouTube works for me is because our customer base are people who have a problem and they're looking for solutions. The way YouTube works is it allows people to find your content using SEO. Because YouTube is owned by Google, it allows people to type in things that they're looking for specifically, such as if I am selling running shoes, and if I am someone who's like good running shoe brands, or good running shoes for ACL injury, or training tips for running my first marathon. Whatever it is that my customer is typing into YouTube, YouTube and Google are the search engines you use when you're looking to find a solution for something. And if you have a product that solves a specific pain point or solution in the market, YouTube allows you to get your content in front of people who are actively searching for a solution. Not only that, but with Google being the #1 search engine on the planet, because it owns YouTube, when people are looking for solutions or product comparisons or how-to guides on Google, very, very regularly, video content from YouTube pops up. So what you're getting with the YouTube Google model is you are getting a chance to really tap into search engine marketing in terms of understanding what your customer is actively searching for, and then serving content that is going to find their way in front of them. And great. So when we look at search engine points, we look at other platforms like TikTok is also coming for Google and YouTube this year in terms of trying to be a search engine. But the big difference between people who surf on TikTok versus surf on YouTube is that we are finding that the Google YouTube audience is much more qualified. They're actively searching for a solution and they take out their wallets. Whereas on TikTok, we're finding that people are there more for brand discovery, brand awareness, and they're not necessarily ready to purchase a product. So by tapping into people who are high intention, that's where you're gonna get much more qualified traffic coming from YouTube and Google. So I actually wanna back up some data with this. Like, where am I getting this from? So let me show you. Okay, so one of the brands we work with, we were starting to really dig into where their customers come from. So this brand is early stage, it's just below 7 figures a year. And what we noticed was we did a post-purchase survey to ask our customers how they discovered us. And as you can see here from this chart, over 40% of their sales are coming from YouTube. And don't worry, soon in this video, I'm gonna cover exactly what they're doing to attribute over 40% of their sales organically from YouTube, meaning we're not even paying for advertising on YouTube. So we're getting some really, really awesome traction. This is just in the last 30 days with this brand. But what this tells me is that we need to focus our attention on shifting our advertising efforts to growing this brand's YouTube channel and YouTube presence, because that is clearly how people are discovering her content, following, and then purchasing over any other platform. And what's insane is this brand has 300 YouTube subscribers and over 1,000 followers on other platforms. So considering she's getting over 40% of her sales coming from the YouTube efforts that we have, it really shows that there's a huge skew in the ability for people like just be more qualified when they go and purchase this. And I've seen this in my brand, I've seen this in the brands that we support, that YouTube, just because of the traffic and the where the audience is at and what they're searching for, you're getting a higher caliber person essentially who is more ready to take out their wallet and buy. So that's why I think YouTube is the most underrated platform on the planet, because of their search engine and because of your ability to create videos that literally go in front of your customer. So this is what we call the pull methodology, where we figure out what people are searching for and create a content plan around that and videos to support that. Okay, so the second half of this video, you're probably thinking, okay, awesome. So I'm really set on YouTube. I'm excited to explore it, but how do I do this? So as of now, there are 4 things you could do to grow your YouTube channel. Number 1 is you definitely want to be putting out at least 1 long form video a week. So a long form video is exactly what you're watching right now. It's a 10 to 15 minute video that covers a longer topic. This is excellent for search engine, and it's something that is not going to essentially disappear within 24 hours. You're gonna see that some of my videos or some of videos of other creators that you follow are years old and they're still showing up on your feed. YouTube is gonna serve you what's most relevant based on search engine and based on popularity. So your videos are gonna follow you longer term, as opposed to if you look at like a TikTok or Instagram, that more serves you content within a day or two. And so it's not very good at essentially keeping your content long-term and banking that. So YouTube is going to be really great to build a solid library that will serve you and your brand for years to come. Number 2, YouTube Shorts. Shorts are all the rage right now with short form video. They're going to be 60-second clips that are essentially a TikTok video that lives on YouTube. Because short form video is getting so much traction, as of 2023, YouTube is pushing out shorts and giving them more organic reach available than any other kind of content on the YouTube platform. So should you tap into shorts? 100%. So do that, number 2. Number 3 is going live on YouTube or promoting your products on the community feed. So as soon as you hit 1,000 followers on YouTube, you were able to start to post like a social media platform to your channel followers. When you connect your YouTube channel to your Shopify store, you are able to sell your products directly to your customers. So whether you do this in the form of going live on YouTube once a week, or whether you do this by doing like promoting and linking certain products to your post, people are actively able to shop with you on YouTube. Super cool. And the last thing that I want to cover for YouTube is YouTube influencers. Getting your product into the hands of YouTubers and having them do things like an unboxing review, how-to video, or even like different kinds of style content or behind the scenes around your product is going to be an excellent way to build social proof and grow your channel and get your products in front of even more people. When we look at what attributed with that earlier diagram that I'll just pull up again right now, but what the biggest growth with this account on YouTube came from those sales, like over 2/3 of them were from YouTube influencers. So you're definitely getting qualified traffic. And my intention with this video is not necessarily to hate on the other social media platforms, but I think that TikTok is getting so much attention right now that we're forgetting about the quality of the traffic that we are bringing to your brand. And we cannot forget about the other major video platform on the planet right now that is consistently serving qualified traffic. So where TikTok is excellent for brand awareness, YouTube is going to be really the thing that drives your traffic, drives your customers. So please implement some or all of what you've watched in this video. Report back to me. Let me know in the comments how YouTube has changed you, your life, and your brand. And outside of that, if you love this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Outside of that, we look forward to seeing you next time. Okay, bye.